order to decrease the size, like I said, the black, I have to make the lobe. This one is I have to grinding. So what I do with the diamond ball, it decrease it. At the same time, I decrease interproximal contact. So whenever you're using this, it's getting smaller, right? And then I have to grinding these areas more. So, right? So whenever I click back, narrow, right? But still not enough. So I have to make more open. Here, the first I did not like the here, the half too fat already. So this half, I have to bring down. Okay, so bring down, I can use a small. See, that's good. I like this alignment. Right now it's inside the edge is too thick. Either I have to bring it in or bring it out. But I have to make the same alignment. So this. And not only that, I move just a little bit. It is okay. No touching or closure. And then here, too much, so decrease it. And also, so now still big, but that's okay. So now here there was low. It's using kind of the thick disc. Bring it in, meaning inside the silhouette, inside the blade is open, like that. So whenever you see, getting better, right? And then now distal. I have to concentrate the distal area. Now it's getting better. So now I have to make the flat. Still too thick. Probably here. Now using the diamond, especially distal, that area. Now I think it's too big compared to this, compared to CJ. Now we're going to cut it that area, right? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, now I say cut it. I'm getting better, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now whenever you see, bring it in. Okay. Now I have to cut it more here. A little bit make the flat. Now I want to see the distal. still. Now I want to bring in inside here 1/3. A little bit bring it in. So, okay. Getting better, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm okay with here. Now, still I do have an issue here. So my low directions like that. And then I'm going to trim just a little bit, especially in between the wings. I have to trim it just like V shape. Then I can make another individual looking. Now you do. Now here's the tricky part. So you have to decrease it. Like I say, in between here, which is the wing and distance. So I have to cut it a little bit because I'm trying to decrease the width. I have to cut it. So when you build up, you can build up, which is my direction is better, then we don't have the grinder or minimum. Just a little bit. Individual looking. See, I create the one tooth, right? But at the same time, I move to wing that direction, tooth is that direction. Okay, so I put it in there. Oh, pretty good. But now I have to deal with the other side. Then I can decrease or not decrease it from this one. Make sense to you?
Yes.
Now I have to play the game.
Yes.
So I can grind it here, grind it there. Same thing. This is much better. So I can show you later, okay?